Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to be confident on camera for YouTube. If that sounds like what you're looking for, then definitely keep watching. Anytime I see my first set of YouTube videos, I cringe. Something that could be daunting psychologically. Did you see that? So now imagine me then, that awkward girl, and then me now. Because this is not something you do every day, or because when you first start off as a YouTuber, you're not used to being in front of the camera and talking to yourself. Practically, like you have nobody in front of you and you're just talking to the camera. It's a bit awkward. There is no lie about it. It is very awkward, but it is a skill that you can learn, that you can train yourself. And once you start doing something over and over, it becomes an habit. Therefore, it's a work in progress. But if you're willing to put in the work, trust me, it's going to make so much sense. So, stay with me and let's walk through this journey together of how to be better in front of the camera. You'll be confident and then once people see this video, have you ever wondered, wait, I digress now. Have you ever wondered why it feels like some YouTubers, when they're talking to you, it feels like they're actually looking at you and talking to you? It's a skill. You've got to learn it. So let's talk about how you can acquire that skill in this video. So first, practice. Practice makes perfect. There is no other way to put it. Practice makes perfect. You've got to practice that skill. So you have to maybe stand in front of the mirror and then present. Look at yourself, how you're talking. Look at what it feels like. Like, hello, how are you doing today? If you are here to see how to subscribe to my, what's that? So once you see yourself, once you see how you're talking and then what you're saying, you'll be able to correct yourself and then say, oh, that actually looks good. Oh, I should try that. So these skills are buildable. So you've got to practice. With each practice, you actually get way better. Trust me. And within a couple of weeks or months, you're talking like a pro. Like you've been doing this all your life. No one was born to be in front of the camera. You've got to learn it. Research your topic. You don't want to come on camera and start sounding very unsure of yourself. I said, fine. There could be few I thinks or I guess, but if that's all you have to say, like, I'm not very sure, imagine, I'm not very sure if that's the thing, but I don't know. So why are you making a video? So you need to have researched your topic and be sure of what you want to say. So that way it comes off easy. And you don't have to have it all in your head. You should have a talking point. Have a paper or a note or a journal beside you that you can check your points. And then you're like, okay, this is what I'm talking about next. And blah, 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 blah. And then everybody's getting the point. So that is how to that's how to appear confident. Not by saying, I don't know, and maybe. No, absolutely not. Actually depends on how you position your camera and how you talk to the camera. Imagine positioning your camera like this. People will log off immediately no matter what you have to say, even if it is the best content ever. It's just, there is a science and an art to shooting YouTube videos. Have you ever wondered why some videos are so cool, even though the person is saying what someone else has said before, but you watch it to the end? It might be the quality, it might be the way the person is talking, like, oh, this person actually sounds quite sure of themselves. So it's the way the camera is placed also goes a very long way. And then when you're talking, there's a difference between talking into the lens and just looking at the camera. Imagine me talking like this now. So this I'm not looking into the lens like right now. So it's not like I'm looking at my viewers. It actually looks like I'm looking at someone else. So you need to look into the lens and then talk into that lens. Just assume you have a friend in there. Feel like you're talking to your friend. You're bearing your soul, bearing your heart. Just look straight into the lens. Then that way it feels like you're talking to your viewer, your subscriber, whoever's watching. So how you place your camera and how you talk to the lens also matters. And that leads me to my next point, your choice of words. It goes a long way. Speak the language you understand. Use the words you understand. This is not the time to start using big grammars that you don't even know what it means. Use words that your viewers can relate to. Imagine me saying, oh, the phenomenology of the synchrocratic. Come on, I'm off. As in, I'm gone. I can't carry a dictionary just because I want to watch your YouTube channel. Except you're trying to build a comedy page or something like that. But there is no way on earth I'm trying to learn something educative and then I come to the page and you're giving me grammar that I have to go back and look at the dictionary. No. There are so many contents on YouTube and people have no time to waste. So you have to give them something to be able to make them glued to your screen and make them subscribe to your channel. And talking about subscribing, I hope you have liked this video and you have subscribed to this channel. Like I said earlier, becoming confident in front of the camera for YouTube is a continuous process. I am still learning. It is a work in progress. It is something that you learn over time. You practice. You can only get better once you practice. So on that note, I leave you with this word. Even though you're being confident, always choose quality. Quality over quantity. Every time, quality should supersede quantity. And that is what I said in my previous video as well on how to be consistent on YouTube and how to shoot your YouTube videos faster. You have to always pick quality. So even while trying to be confident, don't be confidently saying rubbish. Don't be confidently saying rubbish. Make sure you've researched your topic. Make sure you know what you're talking about. Make sure you have that thing that would make your viewers stay. And while at it, you can improve by quality as well, the quality of your video. These days, you can actually shoot with your phone and produce a 4K 60 video, which is what I'm actually doing right now. I am shooting with my phone and little lights. So you don't need all the best gadgets in the world. If you would like to know how I shoot my YouTube video, make sure you leave it in the comment section and then I'll produce something on that. Alright, thank you for watching my video this far. I hope you have liked and subscribed. Don't make me come into your page. Like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I would love to have you here for anything academics, dental, or YouTube. I'm your girl. You know that. Okay, so I've got you. Until I see you in my next video, guys. As always, make sure you put a smile on somebody's face. Bye.